If you ever created a report in Excel, you know very well how frustrating it can be to try to scale your charts. In XLBuddy, we have implemented multiple ways to scale your charts properly, and therefore show your data without misleading impressions. Our scaling is based on dedicated algorithms, which measure the chart size, column size, etc. to correctly determine the scaling. All features, the manual and automatic ones, fix the scale for a specific moment. It is a drawback in Excel that we need to accept if we want to have a pixel-perfect or close-to-it solution. It means that while our charts work on end users' computers, even without the XLBuddy license, the scaling will not. You should remember to remove the modified scales, reset them, before sharing your report with other people who might not have the XLBuddy license on their computer. The most basic option is setting a manual scale. To do it, select your chart and click the Manual Scale button. New window will appear where you can type what scale would you like to set for your chart, or multiple charts. Once filled, click Update Scale button to see the results. Manual scale is fixed and it stays for as long as you keep it. It will not update with new data coming into the chart. To reset your scale to Excel's default behavior, please select the chart which you want to reset scale for and click Reset Scale button. After a second, the custom scaling will be removed from selected charts. XLBuddy offers an option to unify scales between charts. This feature works only for multiple charts. It will use our algorithm to measure everything and unify scales across all selected charts, taking into account their size, data, etc. To do it, simply select all charts which you want to unify and click Unify Scales button. As you can see, all scales have been unified, and despite charts having different sizes, the scale is correct. Please note that this method is manual. It locks the scales until another manual unification or reset. Now let's explore automatic scaling in XLBuddy. It is a unique feature that allows to unify scales across different scaling groups similarly to manual scale unification, but it does it automatically. You can assign your charts to specific groups, and then these groups will be scaled within their own, meaning all charts from Group 1 will be scaled against each other, and charts from Group 2 will behave the same. It allows you to have 2 or more different scalings on the same worksheet or workbook. To add charts to the specific scaling group, select them and click on the Add Scaling Group button and select a specific group with scaling mode. There are 2 scaling modes and up to 9 groups which you can use. To remove charts from the scaling group, select them first and then click Remove Scaling Group button. The scale group will be removed instantly. XLBuddy offers 2 scaling modes, relative and fixed. Relative mode will behave exactly like manual unification, but in an automated way. It will measure your charts, and it will scale them properly irrespectively of their size. Fixed mode, on the other hand, takes not only the sizes of charts and data, but also minimum and maximum values. It is designed for small multiples, charts with the same size but different values, to make sure that no matter if the values are positive or negative, the scale is correct and the axis is in the same line in between them. Let's have a look at our example charts below. As you can see, one of them have negative data point, which makes the chart not properly aligned with other charts of the same size. If we add these charts to the scaling group 1 with relative mode, the scaling result will be this. The scale is perfect, but even though the outer size of the charts is the same, they are still misaligned against each other. On the other hand, if we choose the fixed mode for auto scaling, the result will be not only the perfect scale for all charts, but their axes will also be aligned correctly. We recommend that you choose relative scaling mode for charts that are loosely placed within report, so it covers most of the use cases, and fixed for your small multiples types of reports or dashboards, or for charts embedded within tables, with many, even up to 20 to 30, identically sized charts on the same screen. To turn on or off the auto scaling, you can use the checkbox on the ribbon. We have heavily optimized our auto-scaling procedure so it does not degrade your computer performance too much. Still, as you can imagine, in cases where you have multiple scaling groups and 30, 40, or 100 charts, the performance might suffer. In such cases, we recommend to turn off the auto-scaling using Ribbon's checkbox for report development time and turn it on later when playing with the data. Ultimately, scaling isn't just a technical setting, it's an ethical choice. The scale you select fundamentally determines the story your chart tells. We believe that by creating a report or dashboard, you commit to presenting your information with clarity and integrity.